went to the country club summer party wearing 97 cents makeup. Okay, maybe not everything is less than $1, but you'll see how inexpensive everything that I'm using today is, and everyone thought I looked like $1 million. I tried some unique products that I've never used before, and some of these products are better than anything that I've used before, like this full coverage concealer and self-sticking eyelashes. And all of these are from my today's sponsor, Temu, which is the new hot shopping app and an online mega store for everything that you need at fraction of the cost. I'm sure most of you are already familiar with Temu, but today you can get $100 worth of coupons by downloading the app, and that link is in the description box right below this video. I'm going to start with the primer. This is the Fora All Matte Pore Invisible Face Primer. And this, my friends, was $2.69. This is a silicone-based primer, which means it's going to fill in all your pores, all your fine lines to give that smooth canvas before you apply anything else over your skin. It has a refreshing gel texture and it's a very thin layer on your skin. It almost feels like nothing on your skin, so that helps your skin to breathe easily. Now that we have a smooth canvas, I'm going to use a color corrector. This is the VERONNI 12 color palette. It has everything from a concealer to contour to color correctors. And for all these 12 colors put together, it's $4.94, and you'll see in a minute how pigmented these are. And for brushes, I'm going to be using the 15 pieces professional makeup brush set. This is less than $8 and has everything for your face and eyes. And it comes with a beautiful pouch. To correct my uneven dark circles and patches, I'm going to be using this peach corrector with a small concealer brush, which can also be used as a blending brush. I'm using very little corrector because in the reviews I heard it's very pigmented, so you don't need much product. And that's a good thing because you don't want to layer up too much. That's when you start caking up. You'll see I dipped my brush just one time and how beautifully it has covered my dark circle. Now, why should you correct your dark circles and patches? Why can't you just use a foundation or concealer over it? If you're going to be using an extremely thick concealer, which I'll be using today actually, but I still wanted to try this color corrector, then you can get away without using a corrector because your thick concealer will cover up everything. But that's not always the case. Sometimes your concealers or foundations can mix with the blue undertones of your dark circles and start appearing ashy. But a peach or an orange corrector will cancel out those blue undertones and neutralize your skin tone. So when you apply a foundation or concealer over this, it's not going to appear ashy. Always wait for the corrector to dry before you use a foundation or concealer over it. That way they don't mix. Now, this is one of the best-selling brands on Temu for makeup. It's called Langmani. You'll see I got many of their products, starting with this foundation. This one's $3.49, and I'm going to be applying it with the foundation brush. This foundation gives full coverage and a soft matte finish. It's long wearing. I'll show you even at the end of the day after my party, the makeup was still on and it looked absolutely stunning. It's oil controlling, and of course, it's a liquid foundation. I got shade number 8, which is warm sand, because I'm really tan during summers. For reference, that'll be an NC42 with MAC. I'll definitely be buying more of this foundation and the concealer that I'll be using next. You'll see why in just a minute. This concealer is also from Langmani, and I bought the shade 5, which is sand. I'm going to be applying it with a flat, fluffy brush. I absolutely love this. You can see how thick it is. It covers pretty much everything. This is a hypoallergenic concealer and it suits all skin type. With this concealer, in fact, you don't even need a color corrector. Today I used the corrector because I wanted to show you how beautiful the coverage was. But on a regular, if I'm going to use this concealer, I'm going to use it on its own because this covers everything, as I said. And by the way, this concealer is only $79. And because it's so thick, all you need is very little. This will last a long time. As I'm aging, I'm observing a lot more wrinkles and fine lines around my eyes because the skin is so sensitive there. So I'm very picky about the concealers that go under my eyes. And this concealer did not settle in the fine lines or crease. It's time to add some warmth, and for that, we will need a bronzer. And the one that I'll be using today is from Jaesung. All you have to do is twist and unlock the top to release the product. At first, I thought it was too dark, but actually when you apply it, it gives you that beautiful tanned look. It almost blends into your skin. I'm going to be applying it in the usual areas, which is the circumference of my face, the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawline, and I'm also going to be contouring my nose at the end. And to blend it, I'm going to be using the foundation brush because there's residue of foundation left in the brush. That's going to mix with this bronzer and give you that seamless finish. As you can see, it looked harsh in the tube, but it looks absolutely stunning when you apply and blend. Now you can either apply it the way I applied it, or you can take a little bit in the back of your hand and then use a brush to apply it, which is what I personally prefer. But I wanted to show you how the product was today, and that's why I applied it directly on my face. And for blush, again, I'm using Langmani in the shade Risky Business. I had in fact seen this blush all over TikTok and I really wanted to try it. I'm going to be applying it with this large angled brush, and I like to apply it just over the bronzer so it gives me that lifted look. As you can see, it's extremely pigmented, and while I'm applying my bronzer and the blush, the concealer is drying down, so it's easier to blend it out just one more time before I set it with powder. I'm going to use a little bit of contour on my nose as well, just a tad bit to give it some shape. And for powder, I'm going to be using the Kilfe Flawless Loose Powder. It's a very finely milled powder and it comes with a powder puff. But even better, I found these amazing microfiber puffs. 5 of them cost only 97 cents. I love a good pointed tip. It's very easy to reach in hard to reach areas, especially in the corners and just below the eye. And when you use a liquid blush and then set it with powder on top of it, that gives you a very filtered look as opposed to using a powder blush. And if you want to bake, don't bake directly with the powder. First, set very lightly with the powder. And when you feel like your concealer is set, that's when you take some extra powder to bake. If you're going to use a lot of powder without setting, and if you're going to bake without setting, that's when it's going to kick up. So make sure to lightly set in areas where you use the concealer, first with powder very lightly, and then you can use more powder to bake. I'm going to bake under my eyes, then carve out my jawline, as well as sides of my nose and my forehead. And I'm going to let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes before I dust it off with a large powder brush. And now to set my face, I'm going to be using this beautiful setting spray by NOVO. While it's setting, you can feel the stickiness. That's what will hold the makeup together. At the same time, it's very hydrating. It's going to melt all those powders and give you more of a skin-like finish. And now for the brows and eyes. To define my brows, I'm going to be using, again, Langmani. This is the 1.5 mm Ultra Fine Wild Eyebrow Pencil. This is just $1.37 and the perfect dupe for one of my favorite brow pencils. If you know which one it is, comment below and let me know. Of course, you get this at fraction of the cost. I got the Style 3 or Shade 3, which is a little bit lighter than my brows. Next time, I would definitely go for Shade 4. As you can see, it's very pigmented. As I always do, I'm going to be using the spoolie brush in the back to brush my brow hair downward so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I'm going to use the spoolie again to brush my brow hair upward so I can clearly see at the bottom and fill it in. And today I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to be extending my brows on both sides, on the inner and outer corners. Usually I stay away from that because I have hooded eyes. But today I just felt like doing it because this pencil is asking me to do it. It's so pigmented and I'm loving it. And boy, what a difference it makes. Look at the comparison in my brows. I'm going to use a little bit of the Langmani concealer and I'm going to clean up underneath the brows and my lid space. So it's going to be my eyeshadow primer as well. And then with a smaller powder brush, I'm going to lightly set my lids with some powder. This beautiful 40 color eyeshadow palettes was less than $8. And yes, you get 40 eyeshadows and these are highly pigmented. You'll see in just a minute. This is from a brand called Ruhutao. And I've also seen people use this on TikTok. This is an amazing tool for eye makeup. If you don't have much time, but you still want a glam look, I'll show you. You can use it in so many different ways. And this is just $1.27. I got 2 different colors. For eyeliners, I like to place it this way and just pull out a quick wing. But today I'm going to be turning it to the side. And that'll be my stencil for the outer corner. I'm going to be using an angled fluffy brush, dipping it into this beautiful magenta shade. And all I'm going to do is wipe it across in the outer corner. With the residue that's left on the brush, I'm going to soften the edges towards my lid. And then with this flat shader brush, I'm going to use this deeper pink shade to pull out a small wing in the outer corner while still holding the stencil in place. And now you can get that defined outer corner and you don't have to worry about cleaning up or using a concealer. It looks absolutely perfect. With the smaller blending brush, I'm going to pick up this beautiful peach shade and I'm going to use it to soften the magenta that I used in the outer corner, and I'm going to start shading it towards the lid. I felt like I wanted to use some glitter today because it's so festive at the club. So I'm going to be applying this purple glitter with my finger. Now these are pressed glitters in this palette, which means you don't even need an adhesive or a base. This comes with an adhesive. So all you need to do is pick it up and apply it like an eyeshadow. What I mean by that is just press it on your lids. Although the purple looks like just purple in the eyeshadow palette, when you apply it, it gives you specks of silver as well. It looks absolutely stunning. With the blending brush, I'm going to pick up some of that peach shade to soften my lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up that deep pink shade with the flat shader brush and I'm going to apply it only in the outer corner of my lower lash line. Next, I'm using this lighter matte shade to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones, and I'm using a flat shader brush for this. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using Sweet Mint 4-color liquid liner pen. It comes in 4 different shades and I'm using the shade black. These have very fine tip brushes. If you remember a while ago, I demoed something similar on hooded eyes. These are especially helpful if you have hooded eyes because you can draw very fine lines. And these can be often used to draw lash hair, especially in your lower lash line because they're so fine. I've heard a lot about this mascara. This is the Heng Fei 4D Lash Mascara. It lengthens and thickens the lashes. And for me, more importantly, I love the wand. This can be used both in your top as well as bottom lashes without smudging. These are reusable self-adhesive lashes and they're just $1.79. I ordered the style ZD01 and I absolutely love it. With that, I also ordered these L lashes and you get 7 pairs of lashes for $2.15. But today we will be using the self-adhesives, so you need no glue for this. All you have to do is lift it from one end and gently pull it out. When I say gently pull it out, it wasn't that gentle because it already has adhesive on it. And all you do is just stick it on your lash line. That's pretty much it. And then when you're done with your day, you can lift it from one end and you can put it back in the box and you can reuse it. And how stunning is this spring summer eye makeup? It turned out beautiful and it was so quick, so easy with the stencil. And of course, it is so affordable. I sorted all of today's products by bestsellers before I ordered them. And when I did that with highlighters, Miss Lara pulled up. This is the Fairy Highlighter Powder in Galaxy Diamond Flash. It comes with a sponge tip applicator. It is a powder, but when you apply it, it gives a very natural glow. It is extremely pigmented, so after applying on the highest planes of my face, I had to tone it down a little bit using a powder puff. So you can either tone it down, or if you have photo ops or if you're posting pictures on social media, you can definitely go full-fledged. For lipstick, I got a lip contour kit for $2.49. This is the Young Vision Lip Contour Kit and I got the shade 3. It comes with a highly pigmented lip liner and also a liquid lipstick, which is transfer proof. I'm going to start with the lip liner to outline my lips. This is such a pretty color and you can fill in your lips with the lip liner itself. You don't even need the lipstick. But today I'm going to be using a lipstick because it came with the lip kit. So I just want to try all of the products. So I'm going to be filling in my lips with the lipstick. This dries matte. It's very comfortable on the lips. In fact, it didn't feel like anything on the lips. The formula was definitely better than some of the high-end formulas that I've used, which feel very plasticky and dry on the lips. This felt very comfortable and it smells so good. And again, this is transfer proof. And here is the completed makeup. But we're not done yet because I still need to work on my hair. And for that, I'm going to be using this 5-in-1 hair kit. Looks very familiar, I know, but it's definitely not $600 or $800 and should not be compared to one. This is a hair dryer kit with different attachments. So it comes with the dryer attachment itself. You just have to insert it on top and lock it in. This is the on, off and intensity adjusting button. And then there's the lock button. So to release it, all you have to do is just push on it and you can change the attachment on top. And then you have a hair straightening brush. This one's a hair curling brush. And they also throw in 2 curlers. One curls towards your face and one away from the face. And that's what I'll be using today to create soft curls. And this whole set comes with a manual. I'm using the curler attachment that curls away from the face to create those soft curls because I'm also going to be using extensions that have soft curls. All you have to do is turn it on, take small sections of your hair, and let it do its job. You don't have to twist it around the curler or anything like that. It does it itself. This is more of a hair dryer and it gives you the softer curls. I was truly surprised on how quickly it curled my hair. It definitely didn't give me the ringlets, but it gives you those soft curls, which is what I usually go for. And then I'm going to be attaching this 20-inch hair extension. This was only $5.84 and comes with 5 clips. So you just snap open those clips and attach it to the back of your hair. So first step is to open up the clips. And then I'm going to be sectioning out my hair. I usually go right above my ear and I section out that part. And then I'm going to very gently tease it. I don't like to tease usually, but it just helps to hold the extensions in place. And then I'm going to clip in the extensions. That literally took me 30 seconds, but added so much volume. It's time to release the rest of the hair and blend it in with the extensions. For the finishing touches, of course, I have to go with hoops. You know my obsession with hoops. I got a rose gold, a gold as well as silver colored hoop. The whole set was only $1.49. I'm going with the rose gold today because I'm wearing something in neutrals and pinks. I got the sheer off-shoulder blouse. It screams spring and summer. And because it's a summer party, it's so apt and so stunning. It has a beautiful floral print. It's very comfortable and it also has ruffle at the trim and it looks absolutely stunning. I got a size large. I'm usually 6 to 8, but I just wanted to size up because I don't know how the sizes work and some people said that it runs small, but I think it's pretty large. So it's true to size. They have sizes from small all the way to XXL. And for shoes, I went with these beautiful pumps, again from Temu. These are only $12.99. They actually have a transparent heel, more like Cinderella shoes, like at the heel. It's gorgeous. So this is what I wore to the party. And I'm going to be wearing this over the weekend for another party that's more formal and it's in the evening. And this is $33.99. It looks very formal and I love the detailed trim. And of course, they have varieties of shoes. They have different kinds of pumps, open toes. They even have sneakers, running shoes. I also got this one for $14.39. Red is my favorite color and I had to get this. They have so many different options. And of course, for my studio, I had to get a steamer. The white cloth that you see in the background always gets wrinkles on it. So this is very powerful and took off all of the wrinkles. And I also used it on my shirts. And here's the final look, my friends. I've done high-end looks, I've done drugstore looks, and I've done this look. Can you tell the difference? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm linking all of the products below in the description box along with link to the app. So if you download it, you get $100 worth of coupons, which you might as well use towards the products. In fact, they have a site-wide sale and savings up to 90% off. They have free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. Again, that link is in the description box below. I want to show you a clip of how I looked when I came back after the party. This is me after the party. I still look fresh and the lipstick stayed on, my makeup stayed on, nothing moved. I ate, I drank, but my lipstick still was put. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.